In this video, I'm going to show you one of the best alternative to IQ option platform. So if you are trading in IQ option, that is fine. I have also started my career on binary options trading with IQ options. At that time, when I was trying to withdraw my fund, it took like 5 days for me in the initial days when I was just starting out. And at that time, I have made a good amount of profit in the IQ option, but it literally took 5 days to withdraw that fund, and I lost some of my fund in that period because I was being a little bit impatient. And if you have also something like that experience, or if you are thinking to switch the platform from IQ option to any other platform that is best than IQ option, then in this video I'm going to show you exactly that platform that you need to know, because I've seen lots of binary options trading platform, but no any platform can compete with the platform that I'm going to show you. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash that like button. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. The platform that I want to show you is called Pocket Option. So Pocket Option is best than IQ option in my vision, and I will exactly tell you why. There are few reasons why I will tell you, and you will definitely understand that this platform is far better than IQ option for you too. Okay, so the first reason is, of course, you don't have an account on Pocket Option, and I have also given a link of the link in the description of this YouTube video for this Pocket Option, and that link is special. Okay, and with that link, if you sign up to Pocket Option, then you will get 50% deposit bonus. Not only that much, when you start to trade with Pocket Option, then after a few times again, if you want to deposit, then you will further keep on getting bonuses while you are trying to deposit inside this platform. That is the number one reason. So number two, okay, second reason is the signals. So you will get all of these signals at here. No matter how much you want to invest, you can just put that amount here and then copy the signals. Okay, it is as easy as it is to make trade in Pocket Option. If you don't want to see charts and this kind of stuff, if you don't want to do, then this is the easiest way to trade inside Pocket Option. However, before making trade, I would suggest you to firstly test all of these things in the demo account properly. Okay, without testing on demo account, don't trade directly in the real account. Okay, see if it is working for you. Okay, then only use it in your real account. Now, another interesting thing in Pocket Option is called social trading. So this social trading is also called copy trading. You can literally copy other traders who are making this much percentage of profit, okay, in real time with their real trading, not some demo trading or something like that. Okay, and if you want to know how exactly you can do this copy trading or social trading, if you want to learn it in details, then I have given a playlist link in the description of this YouTube video, where I have shown you how to create and verify your Pocket Option account, similarly how to do copy trading. Okay, I have shown each and everything in that playlist. Okay, and keep watching, because I have one more interesting thing that is better than IQ option in Pocket Option, which I'll tell you after some time. Okay, so keep on watching. So this is the social trading. So now another interesting thing is tournament. Let's say you don't have fund regularly. Okay, so what happens on a daily basis inside Pocket Option, there is this tournament that is called Day Off, which has $250 fund. Okay, and you can literally join this tournament for absolutely free. You don't need to pay any money to join this tournament. Here you can see participation fee $0, and you can rebuy this tournament balance for $1, and you can win the real fund. Okay, so participating in this tournament is also extremely simple in Pocket Option. So just you need to click on confirm participation, and then you can just click on continue, and you can start to make trades in your tournament account. Similarly, another thing is this express trading. So this express trading, you will not get instantly access. Okay, because you need to reach to a certain level, then only you are going to get this express trading, where you can trade on an express level. Okay, and I have not seen this properly what this exactly is, but you can sign up to this platform and see what this is. And there are lots of other things that I don't want to disclose all of the things. You can check inside the platform. Okay, there are lots of the interesting thing like this achievement, this market, where you can buy lots of things. Now time have come, I need to show you one of the best thing that you will feel like it is far, this platform is far better than IQ option in terms of trading. Okay, so that thing is 5-second trading. Okay, so for example, here you can see this flag. You need to change this to the clock. Okay, I'm showing you exactly what it is. Okay, so this is the 1 minute time frame on of trading. Okay, so if you click on here and select S5, then now you will be able to make trades on 5 seconds. So if you click on higher, now in within 5 seconds your trade will be closed. So let's invest a little bit amount at here. Okay, so let me click on higher and let's see what happens in 5 seconds. So I lose this money, but however, this is the way you can make trade on 5 seconds. Okay, so I have invested $30 for now, so lose that too, it's fine. I'll cover it back later. But this exactly is called 5-second trading, and I have a complete playlist on the um, strategical tutorial that I have made on pocket option 5-second trading strategy, which is in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and watch that pocket option tutorial playlist, and you will find all of my best 5-second strategy that you can start to use from today. Now I'll make my final trade. Seems like I made a profit and covered my all previous losses and some profit too. So this is my money management strategy, which you will also find out in my pocket option 5-second strategy. I have explained it a lot in there too. So guys, if you think if it is a good IQ option alternative, then please do comment below and let me know. And don't forget to smash that like button. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.